Hello everybody. If you're taking a look at this, like you were like me and didn't find many videos on how to access or remove this trim in the 2022 Tucson Limited, the reason I need to remove it is because the wife tried to shove the USB plug in the wrong way and snapped it and broke it. So we're going to attempt to remove this so that it can be replaced with the new one that I bought through a Hyundai dealership. Some of you might be saying, why do I have to do that? Just use wireless Apple CarPlay. But what's ridiculous is that Tucson or Hyundai, in a limited model, because it comes with a Maps app, doesn't permit you to do wireless CarPlay. Ridiculous. So we need to replace this. Wish me luck. I have no idea how I'm going to remove all of this. I purchased these trim removal tools from Amazon. I saw in another video. They're all made of plastic, all in different shapes. I'll be using these to access all of this. So there is a tab right there. I'm going to take this or maybe one of the other trim tools and pull on that right there. That will be able to remove this whole body, and we'll start from there. Okay, so I've removed this. You can see that this here I'm going to take out and again replace it with the new part here. But as you can see, the wires are buried and they go up. So I can only access so much. Again, wish me luck. Pretty easy to take this out on both sides. Squeeze these and we're going to pull it out. So I've disconnected it. This is the broken one. And I'm hoping I don't need to disconnect any of these. I'm just going to leave that there. So the good news is this plug here, the white one, corresponds on the new part to this one. So that's pretty easy. But still, the other wire of these two is going way up, and there's no way I can get up there or even see what's up. So I got concerned about airbags and whatnot, even though everything was disconnected and I wasn't sure how to remove this. I said, you know what, screw it, and I wound up just splicing all the wires together with a crimp. It's not going to get wet, so this should hold pretty well. If I have to do it all over again, I will make the time and investment to get the quick connect shrink wrap with the solder in the middle and heat dry it, heat shrink it. But this should work pretty good. I'll show you the finished product when it's all back together. So there's the final product. As you can see, I taped all the connections with black tape so that there was no chance of it maybe coming out as I pushed it all back in there. There's plenty of room behind this panel, and as you can see, Apple CarPlay is again working. So I don't know if you have to really take all this apart. You may want to just splice the wires like I did if you break that USB port. Take care, brush your hair.